Hello everyone, my name is Ifdal Zaki Alesa, Muhammad Ifdal Zaki Alesa. You can call me Ifdal. Most of my friends called me Ifdal. And yeah, this is my first time to talk in by myself in front of camera with English. Before I'm just using Indonesia to do some voice recording, not with my face but only voice. And in Indonesian, bahasa Indonesia, right? I'm from Indonesia, but I want to test my skill and want to upgrade my skill in talking in English so that I make this video. I made maybe I want to make this one series like this kind of journaling, right? I want to talking about something random. I want to talk about my life or maybe my works or maybe my hobbies or something like that. This kind of random, or maybe I can talk about politics, geopolitics, economics, something like that. If I read a news in that day, right? I wanted to make this series for daily basis, but I don't know if I can do that or not because my workplace is so far from me. It's like 1.5 1.5 1 and a half or maybe 2 hours from my home, so that I don't know if I can do it. I won't will share my video or not. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Okay. The reason why I uh, make this video kind of journaling with video, right? Because in my workplace there is a English course, and the teacher in there, Miss Stacy, encourage us the students, right, to do journaling with whether it's writing in English or talking and voice recording, or maybe yeah, like this video journaling, right? So if she want to give us task like that, so that I think that my why not I created a journal for myself and I posted in social media, right? Maybe in YouTube or something like that, or maybe Instagram or maybe TikTok. But I think I want to go upload it in YouTube, so that everybody knows that I want to learn in English. I want to talk in I want to I learn to I'm learning to talk in English. Yeah, it's kind of, yeah, that's why I'm still learning in English. So that's why my English maybe it's not so good, and it's like I don't know, terbata-bata. Yeah. Maybe I will. Yeah. I will show my screen and my face like here so that you can know what activities or maybe it helps me to uh explain something to you if I want to talk to something about maybe my hobby, my gaming hobby or something like that. Yeah. What I want to translate before. Ah, my English is not so good, so I try to learn in English. So that's my English is kaku. What is kaku? Stiff. Yeah, maybe it's something like stiff. It's still awkward to me to speak in English. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's why maybe you don't you find that my speak in English is not very comfortable for you. But yeah, that's my progress. That's my process, right? Maybe later on in the next videos, I think I can be better in speaking in English, right? Okay. So in this video, I want to talking about something random, but I want to talk about something about my hobbies. Uh, my hobbies. I think I have two hobbies. My big hobbies. You can say it. My first hobby is gaming. I love to do to play games in my home, in my house, right? And then I love to watch a movie. Yeah, that's why I subscribe Netflix. I still subscribe Netflix. Yeah, because their movies and series is good for me. Are good for me. Yeah. Okay. I don't want to talk about my watching movies or series hobby, but I want to talk about my playing game. My hobby is my biggest hobby is my is the playing game, right? I used to play. I started playing game when I was in kindergarten in Taman Kanak-kanak or in Indonesia, right? And kindergarten. In the time, my mom, both me and my siblings. I have two siblings at that time, but later on I have three siblings. So yeah, in 2006 I have one siblings. My parents added one more sibling. Yeah. In my kindergarten time, that is 2000, at the year 2000, I have you kind of have like SNES. Yeah, maybe you are familiar with this console SNES. It's from Nintendo, right? But I don't know why, but my mom got me a rip off, or what is bajakan in English? Bajakan, pirated, blowing, loot, plunder. I don't know. It's not original one, original one, the Nintendo. So the console, the shape of the console is like PlayStation One, the original one, right? PlayStation One, the original, the original. Yeah, something like that. But the games that it plays, the games that it console plays, is the Nintendo games. So it's kinda yeah, they lied to us for itself, right? But at that time, I'm playing the game very happily with my brother. Yeah, mainly with my brother because I have a little sister. She's not into game. Yeah, maybe sister, right? But my brother and me playing game very often after school, and play the game that we have that we love most is Super Mario Bros, the original, right? Super Mario Bros original. If you don't know, it's like yeah, something like this. Did it, did it, did it. Yeah, that's this is Super Mario Bros, and I love this game. Me and my brother love this game. I love playing with and you. I don't know. In my memory, I can play with my brother in one game. So I played as Luigi and my brother as Mario. But later on, I realized that that is not possible to do that in Mario Bros. Oh no, I can do that. Yeah. I can play with. So I played with my brothers. I played as Luigi and my brother as Mario. Right? There are brothers, right? Mario and Luigi is brothers. So at me, my brother become Mario is because he is older, right? And I am playing the Luigi because I am younger, right? Yeah. So uh, growing up, then my mother bought me PlayStation One, the original, because other kids in my neighborhood playing game PlayStation 2, but we don't have that kind of money. I think we have that money, but my mother not allowed us to buy PlayStation 2. Yeah, most of my friends playing PlayStation 2, but I don't have PlayStation 2. But apa namanya? Lebih tepatnya more correctly more correctly, my mother doesn't allow us to buy PlayStation 2. That's why we bought PlayStation 1. Then I got an accident. The PlayStation 1 that I have is kecolongan. I don't know, dicuri, stolen. Yeah, I was stolen by some random guy in a bus. Went to Jogja from my home in Cikampek. Then some random guy stole my PS1. Then after that, maybe 1 year after that, my mother bought me a PS2, PlayStation 2, right? Yeah. So the PlayStation 2 is the longest console that I have before I went to junior high school. Junior high school, I went to a boarding school, junior high school. That's why I don't have the privilege to playing game with the console, right? because most of the time I went to I live in the school because it is boarding school, right? It is boarding school. It is still little boarding school. uh I school yeah, I studied at that school for 6 years. So junior high school and senior high school I spent in that school in the same place in Anyer, Banten. So I don't play any console at that time for 6 years. For 6 years I don't play any console, but I played with my laptop at the time. That's that's at the time. I know that we can play any other games, any like a PlayStation 2 games, or maybe strategy game, something like that, in a PC, in a laptop. Yeah, I just know that because at the time my family doesn't have we only have one computer, and we use that computer for our shop in our home, right? For the cashier, for the cashier, yeah, for the transaction. So that's why I'm not using any laptop or any computer to playing games at my elementary school. But at my junior and high school, I my mother bought me a laptop so that I can use the laptop to study, but I also playing game with it. And that's at the time I very amazed that we can play any other console games in PC. I'm playing emulator Game Boy Advance. Yeah, Game Boy Advance. I played Pokemon in my school in the free time, right? In the weekend, only for Sunday. I played Pokemon or any other game that it's in VGBA, Visual GBA. It's an emulator. An emulator is like a simulator for the console. VGBA or Visual Game Boy Advance. I played Pokemon or something like that, and then I play the most favorite game in my times when in my school in junior and senior high school is this one, Most Wanted. Need for Speed Most Wanted is I don't know, maybe 2005 game. Yeah, 2005 games, the original one, right? Because they remake it. EA remade it. The EA. I love this game because this game is so light. I can play it in an old laptop, and yeah, it's very popular in my neighbor and in my friends also. So I play this game, but yeah, this is a single player, so I just me that playing game, or maybe my other friends in another laptop, right? Growing up, I'm going to college, and I'm still I don't have any money to buy a console, and I don't have any courage to uh, ask my mother or my father to buy me a console. At the time, there was PlayStation 3 that is so very popular, and then PS4 in my college year. PS4 launched, but I don't have any money, right? And then I don't have any courage to encouragement to ask my parents to buy it. And then after I graduated from the college, I think it's the third year. Yeah, no. It's the 2002. Yeah, my fourth year career, I finally bought a console that is PlayStation 4, and it is the second I don't know, this kind second bekas. It is bekas. So it has been used by another player, right, in another home, in another house. Yeah, I bought it from him, and it is my first game after so long time, right? After my elementary school era, then finally I bought PlayStation 4. At that time when I bought PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5 is recently launched. So at the time PlayStation 5 is very expensive, maybe 15 million rupiah or maybe 14, I don't know. So that's why I choose to play to both PlayStation 4. At the time I just bought it maybe 5 millions, I think. Yeah, I don't know. And I feel happy. I feel very happy to play the game. And the first game that I played is God of War. Sorry, 2018. Yeah. At this game, I played as Kratos, the God of War in Greek mythology. He defeated Ares, Ares, yeah, Ares, the God of War of the Greek. Before then, he defeated Ares, then he became a God of War, and then later on, he defeated all gods in Olympics in Greeks. Yeah, because he is deceived. He was deceived by them. Then he moved to another land. It is a Nordic land, so there are another gods like Thor, Odin, and something like that. And he married some woman. It is not a random woman. It is a giant. A giant is a giant that can have vision to look into the future, right? Yeah, he married a Faye. I don't know. Yeah, a Faye. Faye. His wife. His wife was Faye, and then he has a boy. He has a son. The name is Atreus. So when he is this old, the Atreus this old, I don't know. Maybe it's like 10 years old, maybe 12 years old. Yeah, 12 years old maybe. The mom, Faye, died. So the wasiat of, what is wasiat in English? Wasiat will. Oh yeah, Faye's will is she wants her ass is spread in the highest mountain in all land in Nordic, right? So that's why Kratos and Atreus went in a journey to spread face ash on the highest mountain in the Nordic land. It's uh, very exciting journey. It's very there is some father and son moment. At the time I just got my son. I think he's just 2 years old. So I learned something about how to do parenting in this game. Yeah, not an ideal way to learn parenting, right? But yeah, I learned something from interaction of Kratos and Atreus in this game, how he control his rage, because uh, all his life he is very angry. Yeah, something like this. Oh, he is very angry. He is very pemarah. What is pemarah? Pemarah. Angry person, a grumpy. Yeah, that's why he is a grumpy old man in this game. He said he doesn't often talking. When somebody asks him, he often just grumble something like yeah. And then he not often to call his son name. His son name is Atreus, right? But he oftenly just said boy, read it, boy, get it. Yeah, something like that. Boy, take it, boy, draw it. Yeah, his voice is very heavy. Yeah. Yeah, because maybe because that's why he is God of War, right? He was God of War, and then he became something more like not something more, something less, maybe just like man, in ordinary man, because he doesn't want to be a god. So he just want to be a man, and then married, and then have son, and then have a normal life. But their journey, Atreus and Kratos journey, doesn't allow Kratos to be an ordinary person. It's like this game is one game of the year words in that year, at the 2018 year. Then later on they have a sequel is God of War Ragnarok. Ragnarok is a judgment day in Nordic mythology. So this is a story about how Atreus and Kratos survive in a Fimbul winter or a long winter in Nordic mythology, and how they end the mythology of Nordic, how they end, not how they survive the end of their world, but how they end their world. So it's kind of exciting because we played as bad guy, but not as bad guy, but usually the characters that portrays as good guy now is bad guy, but usually the guys that portrays as bad guy now is a good guy in this game, right? So it's kind of reverse the character, reverse the what is character, what is it, I don't know the words. Yeah, forget it. Okay, so that's why I love playing game. I love mostly because of the story. Because that's why I love this God of War game, because this game have rich story, have good dialogue, have good combat also. Yeah, this game is have a good combat, not only for the story. The story is very deep. But the gameplay is very good. Yeah, you gotta play it, guys, if you are into gaming, right? Yeah, that's why I played their two games, play God of War and God of War Ragnarok. The other games that I played mainly from PlayStation Studio. PlayStation also have a studio of their own, right? So that they can produce their first party games, and PlayStation first party games is have a ciri khas. What is ciri khas? Ciri khas characteristic, have a very specific characteristic in a storyline, that they have a very good storyline, they have very deep storyline. The other game that I love is The Last of Us also. The Last of Us. This game is have the version of a movie, a series, right? Series in HBO, and yeah, they have Indonesian actress here. Who? Christian Hakim, yeah, Christian Hakim, yeah. She played as a doctor, a fungus doctor in Indonesia, in University Indonesia, and in this game, and in this series, portray that the zombie epidemic starts from Indonesia. Later on, they moved to another countries, and then eventually got to Joel and Ellie, right? No. Ellie later born when the pandemic is still going, but yeah, the zombie pandemic later on got to Joel, and then he met Ellie, and then they're traveling together to a lab. I don't know to the lab across the country. They have a journey across the country in the USA. Then yeah, something like that. Maybe you have watched the movie, but the series, but when you play the game, this is very good because you play as Joel, right, protecting Ellie, and then you have you have adrenaline rush in the game, more adrenaline rush in the game, because you can feel how they feel. Yeah, because that is the game there, right? We played as someone, and we feel what they feel in the game, right? Sebisa mungkin sebisa mungkin yeah, as much as possible, the developer wants us to experience what the character experience in the game, right? So that's why I more like to play the game than watching the series, because I love the adrenaline rush when I played as Joel protecting Ellie, or later on Ellie has to protect had to protect Joel when Joel got sick from the university incident, right? Maybe you have played the game, or maybe you show the series, right? Yeah. And I also played the part 2 also. Yeah, I love this game because this very rich story. Yeah, mostly I played the game because of the story, because the gameplay is second one, and good graphic is a bonus for me. Yeah. But recently I played Spider-Man PS4. Yeah, originally this game launched for PS4, but then they remade it to have a PS5 version. Then they launched Spider-Man Miles Morales. To this is a not mini, a short story game, but have a good gameplay from its predecessor. And we played as Miles Morales, not Peter Parker. And then they have launched Spider-Man 2 PS5. Yeah, this one that I just played in PS5, right? This is very good game because I got to play as Peter Parker and Miles Morales. Also, we can change it very smoothly. When I want to play as Peter Parker, uh, I just hold one button, then I can play as Peter Parker. Then I can change it to Miles Morales again with just hold to one button. Yeah, the traversal, something like that. Yeah, and the most favorite part in this game is the traversal, or the how the the Spider-Man swinging in from one building to another building, and then they can fly. They have web wings in here. Web wings. I think this is the first place the Spider-Man games that have that portrays the Spider-Man that have web wings. In the series, in the animated series, there are many Spider-Man version that have web wings, but only in this on and all but the game version. But I think it's just this game that have web wings for the Spider-Man, and just not only one Spider-Man, that they have also two Spider-Man, right? So that's why the traversal is so very smooth and so very fast, because PS5 doesn't use hard disk anymore, but they use SSD. So the loading is very fast in here in the console, in the PS5 version, right? Yeah, I also played with my kids in Nintendo Switch. I have Nintendo Switch also. I played this game, Nintendo Sports. It's a simulation sport that you can play badminton, basketball. Basketball is a recent game in this game, yeah. And then you can play volleyball, bowling, golf, and sword plays in here. Yeah, you can ding 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 ding, something like that in this game. Yeah, my kids, the older one, the boy, ha played this game, especially the badminton game in here. Yeah, but he hates lose. He hate lose. Yeah, but I often win. I don't want to lose I don't want to lose purposely. Yeah, I don't want to purposely lose because I pity my son. I want to he became better and better after game, so that he can beat me at maybe sometime later, right? Yeah. I don't know why. I just don't want losing with my son. Yeah. So maybe that the kind talk of yeah, it is already 30 minutes. It's a long talk for me, maybe for you too. Uh, what about you? I want you to also share in my comments. Do you also love playing game? If you also love playing game, what game that you love most to play, and what console do you play, and maybe in my your phone is okay actually. I also play on my phone sometimes, but the in playing in the console is more comfortable for me. So if you are maybe playing in handphone or something like that, you can share in the comment. Share in the share in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe me if you love this content. Okay, thank you. Bye.